Hello again. This is Architect Mahesh Bangad presenting on environment and sustainability for the International FDP on Environment and Sustainability hosted by D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akodi. My focus of topic is the water and need for water conservation. I am going to first put on record an acknowledgement for Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akodi, for initiating this FDP, and also a sincere thanks to Dr. Vinay Kulkarni for his efforts that he has put in to provide us with the best of resources while this FDP was conducted. So, in week 1, the presentation discussed sustainability as a concept and the 3 spheres of sustainability and the policies that we could use to promote environmental sustainability. The presentation also talked about drinking water scarcity and the need for conservation of drinking water. Now in week 2, the video talks about drinking water as a resource, its scarcity, the need to conserve the water, the various standards for drinking water quality. Of course, the presentation talks about the conservation of drinking water as well. In week 1, we spoke about water crisis being a huge problem for the world. There are several negative impacts and effects on the environment, on generating energy, and also the agricultural produce is reduced. There is also effect on public health. Not getting enough water to drink can increase health hazards. And because I come from architecture background, I also want to put on record that there is effect on the real estate industry as well. Several of the companies and several of the projects have come to a standstill in Bangalore, Chennai, Kerala, because there was either no water or there weren't enough resources for water. That is for commercial use. There is a big problem of drinking water across the globe. And also, we don't know how to combat it completely. Combating the water crisis should be the prime goal while preserving and protecting our natural resources. We have to reduce our water consumption. We also need to install water management facilities. We also need to develop rainwater harvesting layouts, create rainwater harvesting zones across the country. So drinking water, such an important resource. Every human being, every animal needs it. And when you need water, you also need it of a certain quality. And thus there are standards and codes for water. Then why are standards needed? Well, our body as a person, as a human being, requires a certain quality of water and of course a certain quantity of it as well. Drinkable water has its standards of weights and measurements already sorted. Everything related to water has some codes and standards for be it with industry or government or society. Specifically, drinking water standards are listed under the IS 10500-2012 specifications. And because all of us are so habitual of drinking bottled water, be it on our train journeys, on our flights, during sport meets, there are standards for bottled waters as well. The IS 14543 is for the packaged drinking water, and the IS 13428 is for the packaged mineral water. These standards are related to certain specific elements of or quality of water. The first parameter is organic and physical parameters. The second is of course the color, which you could see. The third is the odor. The fourth, pH value. Fifth is taste, because drinking water needs appropriate taste as well. The sixth is turbidity, and the last is total dissolved solids. So water is not just as easy as it looks. It needs to have its standards, and it needs to be potable as well. In our weeks to come, in our next video, I'll be talking about the role of ISO and water, the relationship between them, and why do we need ISO standards for water. And I'm also going to talk about something related to the water footprint. We all have heard about carbon footprint, but there is of course water footprint as well. And then we are going to also talk about how to reduce our water footprint. Thank you.